In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create master slide in Google Slides. A master slide is the control center for your presentation's look and feel. It's where you define things like fonts, colors, logo placement, and default text positions, so every slide stays consistent without repeating the same edits over and over. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to control your presentation's design from one place. First, open Google Slides in your browser. You can use any modern browser and make sure you're signed in so your work saves automatically. Starting here keeps everything synced and easy to access later. Next, create a new file by choosing a blank presentation. A blank start gives you a clean canvas and makes it simple to see the changes your master slide will apply. Don't worry about content yet. This part is all about structure and style. Now, look to the menu bar at the top of the screen and open the slide menu. This is where Google Slides keeps options related to layouts, themes, and the master controls we need. From that slide menu, select Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, sometimes referred to as the theme builder. On the left, you'll see a column of thumbnails. The very top thumbnail is the master slide, and below it are the layout slides that inherit its settings. Think of the master as the parent. Anything defined there, such as default fonts, text sizes, header positions, and background elements, cascades down to every layout that uses it. In this view, you'll notice two kinds of elements. Placeholders, like title and body text boxes, are meant for content and can be edited on individual slides. Locked design elements, such as a logo or footer you place on the master, stay fixed across the presentation so they can't be accidentally moved while building content. This is the key to brand consistency and clean, repeatable design. A few best practices to keep in mind while you're working in the theme editor. Plan a clear visual hierarchy so titles, subtitles, and body text are easy to scan. Choose readable fonts available to all collaborators, and use high contrast colors for accessibility. Keep alignment and margins consistent, and set space for images or charts within layouts so content drops in neatly. That's it. You've navigated to Google Slides, opened a blank presentation, gone to the slide menu, and entered Edit Theme, the exact place where a master slide is created and controlled. With these essentials, you're ready to set a professional foundation for any presentation.